Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Latitude. The Pickleball Paddles set is a USAPA-approved fiberglass surface pickleball racket set designed for both men and women. Ideal for recreational and competitive play, this set offers everything you need to get started in the fast-growing sport of pickleball. Each paddle is constructed with a fiberglass surface, known for its durability and ability to provide excellent power and control during play. The fiberglass surface enhances the paddle's ability to generate spin, making it easier to execute advanced shots. The paddles are lightweight yet robust, ensuring players can maneuver the paddles easily for fast reactions and precise ball control. The set includes 2 paddles, designed to meet the needs of both beginners and seasoned players. The paddles are ergonomically crafted with comfortable grips, reducing hand strain during long games, and providing a secure and firm hold for enhanced control. The grip size is ideal for most hand sizes, making these paddles versatile and suitable for a wide range of players. In addition to the paddles, the set also includes pickleball balls, which are designed for optimal bounce and durability. These balls are ideal for indoor and outdoor play, providing excellent performance and consistency during games. The USAPA approval ensures that these paddles meet the sports standards for competitive play, making them perfect for both recreational and tournament play. The set is designed to be beginner-friendly while also offering the performance needed by more advanced players. Whether you are just starting or looking to improve your skills, this pickleball paddles set provides the perfect balance of performance, durability, and value, making it an excellent choice for pickleball enthusiasts of all levels. Number 2. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a premium paddle designed for both performance and durability, suitable for players of various skill levels. Proudly designed in the USA, this paddle features advanced materials and technology to enhance the overall gameplay experience. The paddle offers 3 distinct options tailored to different playing styles. T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Power. This version is built for players who prioritize powerful shots. The T700 carbon fiber construction provides increased stiffness, allowing for greater energy transfer on each hit. It delivers a powerful, crisp feel, making it ideal for players who like to dominate the game with fast, aggressive shots. 18K Ultraweave Control. The 18K Ultraweave is designed for players who prefer a more controlled style of play. With its unique weaving pattern, this version provides a soft feel on impact, allowing for enhanced ball control and precision. It's perfect for players who enjoy executing accurate placements and softer shots with consistency. Kevlar Linkweave Thermoformed Pro. This option combines Kevlar technology for increased durability and thermoforming for a precise shape. It offers a balanced mix of control, power, and comfort, making it suitable for advanced players who want a high-performance paddle for both offense and defense. Each of these paddles is designed to offer excellent feel and responsiveness, thanks to the advanced materials used in construction. The raw carbon fiber surface ensures a high level of spin and accuracy on every shot, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during long matches. Whether you need power, control, or versatility, the Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle offers the perfect solution, allowing players to choose the model that best matches their playing style. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a complete set designed for pickleball enthusiasts, offering everything you need to get started or enhance your game. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 balls, and 1 carry bag, making it a great choice for beginners, recreational players, or anyone looking for a high-quality pickleball set. The paddles in this set feature a G4 graphite face, known for its lightweight and durable properties, offering a great balance of power and control. The graphite surface enhances the paddle's responsiveness, ensuring precise shots and the ability to generate spin. The polymer rev core technology used in the paddle's core provides optimal ball bounce and improved performance, making it ideal for all playing levels. The set includes 3 pickleball balls, which are durable and designed for consistent play both indoors and outdoors. These balls offer a reliable bounce and are built to withstand regular use, ensuring hours of fun on the court. Additionally, the bundle comes with a convenient carrying bag that holds the paddles and balls, making it easy to transport and keep your equipment organized when heading to the court. The bag is designed with practicality and durability in mind, ensuring your gear stays safe during travel. Overall, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a well-rounded set that offers high-quality performance and convenience. With its advanced graphite paddle design, durable balls, and carrying bag, this bundle provides everything you need for a successful and enjoyable pickleball experience. Whether you're new to the game or looking to upgrade your gear, this set is a great choice. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance racket designed for players seeking a combination of power, control, and comfort. Crafted with graphite and carbon fiber materials, the Mod Z5 offers a durable and responsive paddle surface, ensuring precise ball placement and excellent spin. The graphite face provides a lightweight yet stiff structure, enhancing control during rallies, while the carbon fiber construction delivers exceptional power on each strike. One of the standout features of the Mod Z5 paddle is its cushion comfort grip, which offers players superior comfort during extended play. The ergonomic grip is designed to reduce hand fatigue and provide better control and feel, making it suitable for players of all skill levels. The grip also absorbs vibrations, providing a smoother and more enjoyable playing experience. The paddle's core features Onix honeycomb technology, which enhances its power output without sacrificing control. This core structure allows for improved ball rebound and consistent performance across various playing styles. The Z5 paddle is ideal for players who like to execute both powerful shots and precise, controlled placements. Weighing between 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, the paddle is well balanced, offering a great mix of maneuverability and stability. Its sleek design, coupled with USAPA approval, makes it a competitive option for both recreational players and serious competitors. Overall, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a top-tier pickleball paddle offering a combination of high-quality materials, excellent comfort, and performance features that make it suitable for a wide range of playing styles. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, this paddle is designed to elevate your game. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Stratos or Essentials Pickleball Paddle is an excellent choice for both beginners and recreational players seeking a durable and reliable racket. Featuring a reinforced fiberglass surface, this paddle offers a great balance of power and control, making it ideal for players who are still refining their skills but want a high-quality paddle for consistent play. The paddle's honeycomb polypropylene core is designed to provide enhanced ball rebound, while also offering a large sweet spot for improved accuracy and comfort. This core material is known for its durability and ability to absorb vibrations, providing a smoother and more enjoyable experience during extended sessions on the court. One of the key highlights of the Joola Stratos and Essentials paddles is their USAPA approval, making them suitable for official tournament play. Whether you are participating in casual games or competitive matches, these paddles meet the standards required for fair play and performance. In addition to its performance, the paddle features a comfortable grip that ensures a firm and ergonomic hold, reducing hand fatigue. The grip is designed to be user-friendly, making it a great option for players new to the sport, as well as more experienced individuals looking for a comfortable feel during long rallies. The overall design is sleek, with a focus on both functionality and aesthetics. The paddle's lightweight construction, combined with its fiberglass surface and polypropylene core, delivers excellent versatility and maneuverability on the court. In conclusion, the Joola Stratos or Essentials Pickleball Paddle is a solid choice for players of all skill levels, offering a blend of durability, control, and comfort. Whether you're just starting out or advancing in your pickleball journey, this paddle is sure to enhance your game.